Hi guys, today we're playing Slumber Party again, but with our friends. Now we're three. My cousins. Tatlo kaming cousins.
Lipat tayo.
And even we had Mochi.
Needs 2 players.
Oh my gosh.
Someone join us?
No.
But wait, loading game and players. Waiting for players. Another players.
No.
See, just three of
I'm there.
I'm on the middle because.
Wow.
How if we die all?
Ako yung first.
No, I'm the first.
Number
Slumber Party.
Ano bang meron dito?
May multo na ipapapunta sa'yo. Oh, I want my bed here. Ako dito.
Ako dito. Dito na ako mag-isa na lang. Hindi, gusto ko may kasama. But I don't. All the not creepy houses were too expensive.
All the creepy houses are
Ate, pag yung character niya nagsasabi, siya lang magsasabi.
Will you stay over?
Do you have snacks?
There's a gas station down the street.
Ate house mo yun. Ang ganda ng room mo.
You want us to go back out there?
No.
Oh, wala ka pang nakasabi dyan.
I'll buy you gummies.
Fine, but if I die before that, I'll be very upset.
Hindi yung nagsasalita si Amy.
Bakit ba kasi gano'n? Ang daya nyo.
Hindi. Objective. Bike to the gas station.
Let's go now to
Uy,
the...
bike down!
Oh, bike naman. Tara. Dito, mana yung dinadaanan niya.
Ba't pa ganun naman no?
Oh my gosh, guys.
Igalaw mo, screen mo na ganun para
Oh my
kan.
God.
Why is it so dark?
They use the cheap bulbs in this area. Hindi naman nag-work sa akin.
Di pa ba?
Wait lang.
Mahirap nga i-control sa akin.
Asan ka na ba?
Malayo na kami. Oh, hey!
Wait, do you hear that?
Hoy, wala akong kasama.
Pabayaan mo, makakasama mo kami. Nandyan yung multo. Nagulat din ako.
No!
Wait! What about your gummies? Ako hindi. Nandyan lang. What was that?
Wait, Glenn.
You tell me. I don't live here.
Yes, you do live here.
Oh,
Did that lady even have eyeballs?
no. They were black.
Time for bed, kids. Jinx na. But we just saw a crazy demon old lady. That's nice, sweetie.
She didn't have eyeballs. Her face was jumping out.
Kumain ka daw ng maraming gahis.
But, go to sleep. Hindi na. Isa pag may nagparamdam ng si ilang yung si ilang yung wala sa middle.
This ata dream ito.
Is this my dream?
I don't know, guys. No.
Yeah. Yes. Even the dreams.
Si A palagi sigaw ng sigaw. Okay, calm down. It's just a dream. Nothing can hurt us.
Yes, do this.
Oh my You better run.
You heard the lady run. Ate parkour.
Kaya mo yun, eh. Pag kayo iniwan niyo ko dito. Ay,
ay parang
ayoko na.
Ang hirap.
Kaya mo yan.
Kasabay ng pagkilaw ng
You can do this, girl.
Slowly.
Okay.
Ayoko na. 40 seconds na lang. Ayun, nasa clouds na. No!
Nakill ka?
Nasa clouds na.
Yun, nasa clouds na din ako.
Eh, asan ka na?
Nandun lang siya.
Wala, bilisan niyo.
Eh, nasa gamis na kami ni ate. Pinatala. Na-made ko na. Bye-bye. Waiting sa
Hindi ko makita yung mga
Nandyan na.
Here.
Hey!
Hey, what? Whoa, dude. Why are your eyes black?
Me too. Your eyes too.
Yours
Do
too.
you hear that? I feel someone calling.
Me too. It's a voice asking me to come home. Hala ka.
I'm scared, but for someone
Me too. I can't control it. We'll go together.
Come home to me.
Ako na
I'm
yung
so
I have some juicy gummies waiting for you, my sweets.
Na-play na naman ito. Hindi pa na nakatakot.
Na-finish niyo? Or palagi kayo?
Na-finish namin.
Keep riding. I'm glad you are coming to a visit. Anong mangyayari dito?
Lalagyan niya ng lava. Tapos kailangan natin mag-escape sa window. Tapos hanapin yung key. It's like my...
Pero alam niyo naman, di ba?
Okay. Sa kanilang way naman, nakang nagiging sa patusay at sa pigahin ng mukha ng alaga ni Mayweather. Buti na lang at nang pagtingin
Let's go, bro.
Saan?
Umakyat ka.
Ang bigay ng commentator sa laka. Ang sarap gusto naman basahan ng buwan na parang put ang babaw na bukas na kumangkinan. Samantala,
Uy, ba't ka nagiging...
I can control myself now.
Wow! I can feel! Yung
Ay, takbo! Run!
Asan dito?
Hanapin yung key.
Alam niyo kung asan?
Hindi.
Wala yung...
Hindi. Wala na.
You failed to find the key in time.
Leave.
Ulit?
Hindi na.
Iba naman, ibang story.
Aha.